Hello everyone, this printer is Canon MG3650. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with a USB cable to your computer. This printer is currently connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you look on the control panel, you see there's a Wi-Fi light is on. What we want to do is we need to disable wireless LAN function. So to do this, you need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button. You can see the power on light is flashing. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button and release it when the power on button flashes. Then press the black button twice. Press it again. Then press the Wi-Fi button. You can see that the light is gone off on the Wi-Fi. So this printer is no longer connected to wireless network. So now we want to set this up using a USB cable. So what you need to do is take this end of the cable, connect it to this port, USB port. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to your computer. Now the next thing to do is there are two ways to connect this printer with a USB cable. So the next thing to do is once you connect the cable, then you go to your laptop settings, select Start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device. Once you add a device, then you need to look for Canon MG3600 series. Select on it. The printer is showing us idle. Print test page. Then select OK. This is window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon MG3600 series on laptop. It will show you the date and time. Color support, yes. Port name, USB 024. Data format, RAW. We connected this printer and computer together using a USB cable. If you want to scan documents, there are two ways to do this. The first option to scan document, so select scanner settings. When you select scanner setting, you need to open scanner property. If you open scanner property, you need to wait until refresh done. Go on the left side from the drop down and select the printer. We're going to come back for this, for us to be able to scan using Windows Scanner. Next thing to do is you need to go to Canon website in your region. So select Start, then go to Canon. Select the Canon website in your region, canon.com or canon.co.uk or whichever region you are. So the Canon website is opening up. Select Help and Support. Then scroll down, Browse Product, then select Prisma. Then type the product name, MG3650. And MG3650 is found, or 3650S. So depending on the particular one, so 3650 is what we are using. So select on it from the list. You need to select the drivers. Then it will show you MG3600 series, MP driver, Windows. You need to select the second option, MG3600 series, full driver and software package window. So you need to select this option, full driver and software package window. Download it on your PC. Select download. You need to open the file. Double click it to open. Then select yes. It will show you Canon IGS software. Do you want to allow this? Select yes. Then select start setup. Acquiring information on the latest driver and software. Please wait. Then you need to select your region. So scroll down from the drop down to select your region. Then select next. Agree to licensing agreement. Select yes if you have read the information. Please allow all install wizard. Then you select next. So it will ask you the connection method. We connected this printer with a USB cable. So you need to select USB connection. Click next. You're going to install the drivers, the image garden. Install my image garden utilities. It utilizes the photo save on the computer to automatically create card or calendar. So it's installing, and this will take about 3 minutes to install the MP driver. And once installed the image garden, printer connection, make sure so you find the printer, print head alignment recommended, then you select next. Test print, select execute. The test print, this printer is now ready to print. So this is a test print to show you that the printer is now ready to print. Then you select next. Setup complete. Then you select next. Then it will ask you to install. Don't select exit yet. So you need to install the user manual, my printer, image garden, quick menu. Then you select. So once you click on these softwares that you require, make sure you select user manual, my printer, my image garden, quick menu. Then you select next. So it's installing it. So we did this connection with a USB cable. It's installing the manual. This will take about 12 minutes to complete. As user registration, I'm going to skip user registration, skip. Installation complete. Then you select exit. Then you close this. So after you install the full software and driver, if you look on your laptop, you will see this app on your laptop. You need to select my image garden. So you see the first picture, second one, and third one. The first picture is Creative Pack. The second one is Scan Placed Photo. So select the third option, Start My Image Garden. Select on it. Once you select on it, it will start to load. It will show you Canon My Image Garden. Then you need to wait until the guide menu will display. It will show you photo print, photo layout, collage, card, calendar, stickers, disc label, video layout. So you need to select scan from the list. And when you select scan, it will show you there are no scan image. Then you go on top, then put the document. Before you start to scan, you need to put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down. Make sure the document starts from the top. This is A4 paper. Then select PDF. If you are scanning photo, then you select photo, so PDF. But before you do that, also, you need to go to the settings. and it's showing us preparing to scan, but also we need to wait to see if it's scanning, or we go to, before we start, we go to the setting to select correct printer. Okay, so let's exit. So go to the settings, select settings, select the three dots, then scroll down from the list to select the printer MG3600 series. It is not on the network. Then you select OK. Then select PDF to scan. So it's scanning. So the document is scanned. If you want to scan the next page, open the glass scanner and stick the document the other way around. Close the cover. Then you select scan again. You can do this as many as you like. Once you're done, select exit. Exit. And this is the document we scanned. This document, you can print it out or save it to your computer. If you want to save it, then select the document, select save, or you select the file. Once you select my file, select files, then select save. Then browse folder where you want to save it. You can save it any particular place you want to save the document. You can save it in the document. Then select OK. You can also give the file name. Remove, it will show you image and the date the document was scanned. So you can remove the name and give it any name you like. I'm going to type BGB, for example, and also show you multiple page PDF. Then you select save. And it's now saving. So the file is saved. If you want to print it out, click on the document, then select file, select print. Show you, please wait to communicate with the printer. Then you select, you can see from the list, you select correct printer, Canon MG3600 series printer. Then you select the size as A4 plain paper. Then select more print range. It give you option for you to print all. Advanced setting. It give you option for you to select high, standard, custom, or draft. Then you select print. So it's processing. So we are doing this also. Remember, we connected this with a USB cable. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. This is the second document. If you want to print this two-sided, then the document we saved to the computer, you can go to File Explorer, select File Explorer, then go to Documents, select Documents, Then you type the document you save. We type it BG. BGB. Double click the document to open. This is the document we scanned, 2-page document. To print it out, double-sided, select Ctrl P. When you select Ctrl P, then you go on the left side and select correct printer MG3600 series ready. Select on it. Then scroll down to select print on both sides. And want to print it in color, then select print. So this document we scanned, save it to the computer. Now we want to print it on both sides. Select OK. So we are doing this connection with a USB cable. So we have been able to scan document using Canon My Image Garden, save the document to the computer, print it out, and also printed it out double-sided. Another way you can scan document with this printer if you don't want to use My Image Garden. Another way to scan document if you don't want to use My Image Garden, you can also use, if you close this, then you go to your laptop settings. So we're going to use Windows Scanner. So go to laptop settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to select Canon MG3600 printer, select on it. Then you select scanner settings. When you select scanner settings, open scanner property and check if you can see Canon printer on the list. You refresh it until it shows you on the list. But you can also close it. Another option, open the scanner. Go on the left side to see if you can see the scanner property. It's taking a long time. So because this is tutorial, so I'm going to close it. Another thing you can do is select more devices and printer settings. Select on it. Then it will take you to your laptop and show you the printer. Then you go on the printer, look for Canon. It will show you printers on the laptop. Canon MG3600 series. Right-click the mouse, right-click it. When you right-click it, it will show you printing, set as default printer, or you select Start Scanner. And it will bring out this new scan. Then you put the document you want to scan, then select Document, Flatbed. We want to scan this in color. And format as PNG. Resolution 300 dpi. Then you select Scan. So this document is scanning from window. So there are two ways you can scan with this printer. So we are now scanning with window. The first option, we used Canon Image Garden. This is the document we scanned. Then you can select Import, or you select OK, Review, select Next. It will show you the document. This is the document. You can select Import it. If we select Import, the document will be is now imported to your computer. So you can go and look for the document to your PC. This is another option. Thank you very much indeed. This is how to connect this printer to the laptop with a USB cable. Scan document, save it to your computer, and also print it out. We did all this with a USB cable connection. Thank you.